Good morning, 5th grade. Alright, so this week we're going to be continuing our study of 5MD.1 Measurement Conversions, and we're still in customary units, and this week we're going to be looking at weight. Last time we looked at length, this time we're looking at weight. So, you're going to be still using that same kind of mnemonic that we practiced, which was the big to small times them all, S to B, divide with me. And of course that S meaning small, and then S to B being the big. So again, that's big to small times them all, S to B, divide with me. And when we apply that to our conversion problems, we're basically looking at which units are the small units, which units are the bigger units, and then that tells us which operation to use. Now, according to your North Carolina standard, it allows you to be given a conversion chart. So when we're doing weight, you'll know that 16 ounces equals a pound, and then 2,000 pounds equals a ton. And from our unit poem that I uploaded last week, and I actually put it in the lesson for this week as well, it's that little section in the units poem which was bake some bread, it's nice and brown, 16 ounces and a pound. So that's just a little mnemonic in your brain, just to kind of remember that conversion, so it might save you some time later on. Otherwise, they'll actually give it to you in your problem. So 16 ounces in a pound, 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. Good morning, Gigantor, my rooster crowing off to the side. So our smallest unit of customary weight is an ounce, and you can kind of associate this with what you have in your daily lives. 1 slice of bread is about an ounce, a AA battery is about an ounce in weight, and a brand new pencil, not when it's this big and it's a little eraser nub, but a full-size regular pencil is about an ounce as well. Pounds, I always think pounds with, I think a lot of math measurements with food connections, because I like food. And a pound is actually 4 sticks of butter. So when you buy that whole little box of butter, there's 4 sticks in there. Each of those sticks is 4 ounces. 4 times 4 is 16 ounces, which makes 1 pound of butter. So 4 sticks of butter, 4 ounces each, is actually 1 pound, because 4 times 4 is 16 ounces. 2 medium-sized apples is about a pound. And then when we think tons, we think large, large weights. So a lot of kids think elephants, but actually elephants, adult elephants, tend to be more than a ton. But actually an adult rhino is just about 1 ton. And small cars, like a Volkswagen Beetle car. And I put the little human in the picture next to it so you can see that's a small car, but that's not a toy car. So a small car is about a ton, which is about 2,000 pounds. So we're going to remember those big to small times them all, S to B, divide with me. So over here, can you see this good in the video? Here's some example problems of how you would apply big to small or S to B. So how many ounces are there in 2 pounds of butter? So first thing I'm going to ask myself is, okay, what am I solving for? I have 2 pounds, that equals how many ounces? So I'm going to have to solve for ounces. Which one of these units is bigger? Pounds are bigger than ounces. So pounds are big, ounces are small, big to small, we times them all. So then I asked myself, well, what's the conversion there? There are 16 ounces in a pound. So I will take my 2 pounds, times that by 16, and I'll end up with 32 ounces of butter. So that big to small mnemonic tells you what operation to use, and then you just use your conversion chart to tell you what your unit conversions are. Here's an example of S to B, so small to big. How many tons are there in 16,000 pounds? Well, what do you have that you know? You know you have 16,000 pounds. We have to convert to tons. Pounds are smaller than tons. Tons are big. So we're going S to B, and when we go S to B, you divide with me. So what's our conversion units? We have 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. So we're going to take our known, which is 16,000 pounds. Because it's S to B, we're going to divide. What's our conversion units of 2,000? Because there's 2,000 pounds in a ton. So 16,000 divided by 2,000 is going to give us 8 tons. So when you're doing your lesson, you're going to follow along in your guided practice with my PowerPoint. Watch my videos to kind of help you to remember those mnemonics. And then you'll have some practice on your own, and then you'll have your school net assessment at the end. Gigantor is literally right there. So I'm sorry about the noise. If you have any questions, dojo, email, call, whatever it is, I'll talk to you soon. Until next time, bye-bye.